guys want to see me do the moonwalk? Jean is not my lover. No, you want my chicken fried. No, you want my chicken fried.
So me and Fit went into an acting audition, and here's what happened.
Oh my god, it's so hot in here.
Fit, please button your shirt back up. I am going to puke.
Now why do you say that?
Fit, I'm saying that because your chest hair smells like a freaking locker room. Please button your shirt up.
Okay, first of all, unless you can turn my internet off, you can't control me.
Fit, stop touching your Chewbacca.
I do what I want.
Now, I'm a really big fan of Jacksfilms YouTuber impressions videos, so I decided to steal his style and impersonate my friends.
So, guys, I'm going to kidnap Shawn Mendes and force him to take cute Tumblr-worthy pics with me.
Hey guys, subscribe to my channel to watch my new short film, Game of Hyrule. What the heck? Where's Pokemon Apocalypse? Hey, shut up, dude, and give me a break! I use reaceblackberry for subscribers. Yo, I remix Vines. Subscribe. Oh, you want Dubcats Chapter 2? Well, too bad. Here's another EDM track.
OMJ. I just love Ariana Grande. She's just so gorgeous. Hey guys, it's Kate, aka Mathy Pop. Just watch my vlogs if you want to know what's Mathy Poppin'.
So I was really hungry the other day, but luckily my friend Lizzy fed me.
Lizzy, I'm hungry.
Here you go, my sweet child.
You know those moments when you're super thirsty?
Here, have a drink. Might want to slow down there before you swallow your straw.
So my friend Fit decided to make fun of some Viners to their faces.
That moment when girls like guys that bite their lips and squint their eyes.
Can I help you?
Yeah.
I hope y'all step on a Lego!
Okay, do you need us to give you a lecture on respecting Viners?
No, because that would take way more than 6 seconds.
Now we all know those stupid arguments that we get in with our friends. Fit, are you eating cough drops?
Yeah, we ran out of everything else.
Bruh. Bruh.
Bruh.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh. Bruh. Bruh. Bruh. Now I was going into an acting audition myself the other day, and I asked one of my friends to make me mad so I could be ready to go to the acting audition. Okay, Fit, I need you to make me mad because I'm about to go to an acting audition and I need to be mad. So give me your best shot.
Okay, think about how Ariana Grande is dating a backup dancer and not you. Oh, jeez. Ace, you haven't cried like this since that girl broke up with you on your birthday back in 2012.
Okay, you know those people who ask what time it is while pointing at their wrist? But what if whenever someone asked a question, they pointed at a body part? Hey, do you guys have anything to eat? Hey, do you guys have a Kleenex? Because I gotta blow my nose. Hey, do you guys know where the bathroom is? Because I gotta poop. That amazing moment when you see a friend that you haven't seen for a very long time.
Ace.
Hi, Matt.
So, have you seen any good movies? Matt, why did you just punch Ace in the
the face. He was talking back.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to leave a like on my Facebook page, Uzuka Productions, and follow me on Twitter at AceBlackberry. And also, please go check out my friend Seth's gaming web series called Captain Classic. But do not subscribe if you're not gonna watch his videos. And also, this girl named Taylor decided to put me in her fanfiction. I will link that fanfiction down below. So yeah, stay blotchy.